Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Oh, my voice sounds so croaky. I need a drink. But I'm so excited. Look, exactly 2 minutes now until a new update. I'm gonna get ENNARD. So apparently there's gonna be parts in this new update. This update better not be delayed. If it's delayed, I'm actually gonna kill this thing. But yeah, I'll just cut to when it's at like 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. I had a drink, but my voice still feels. Okay, I'm gonna look down for a surprise. 2, 1. Are you kidding me? No. We are not doing this. We are not doing this. We are not doing this. No, 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 no. One. Oh my gosh! Oh, the exclusive unit is still the same. Okay. I'm gonna buy that because I have Robux. Wait, is that as smart as it is? Okay, let's see. Helpy, knew it. Security puppet, Molten Freddy. Should I save some money for Robux? Because I really want Molten Freddy. Is Halloween lobby still there? Yeah. Okay, let's see. Season 5, game 5. Wait, I got ENNARD, right? Chain Shock? 3,600 to 5,000. Oh, what's this? Controlled Shock. Sends out a controlled shock that bounces between up to 10 nearby units, dealing damage and stunning them. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. That's so good. Everyone knew it was going to be Lefty. He looks so cool. He actually looks so cool. I have enough. Yay. Yippee. Where is he? Wait, where is he? Wait, am I blind? Oh, it's a present. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Okay. Bucket Bob. I don't know who that is, but okay. Gotta lock him. That is a waste of Robux. 0.4 every 100. Wait, what's not the best unit? He does a lot of damage because of his cooldown, but like... Oh, there's bounded. That's probably the only good thing. But that means that my cooldown is gonna be slower. That's fine, that's fine. Wait, look at Lefty, he's so cool. Even though that is my height and short. Are you kidding me? I literally need this bucket for it. If any of them are supporters, I'm actually gonna kill this thing. Supporters. Oh my gosh, I need to do the new season. December 7th. That sounds really early, to be honest. Wait, should I test out the new Bob guy? Yeah, I guess I will. That sounds sad. I'm not sad, I'm really happy. Okay, shut up. My nose is just blocked, so it's like hard to yap. Ghost story. If I get vengeance on this, I mean, why would I? You're kidding me. I got range 2. That's fine. Okay, let's go. It's me, Mario. Okay, let's see what he does. Look at his animation. I love him. Yes, open your little mask. That's so good. Kinda expensive to upgrade though. Okay, so he does a chain shock, or attacks 10 enemies or something. I don't really know. What is it? Yeah, like attack 10 enemies with stun. Pretty cool. How much can you place down? 3. That's a lot. Last Nightmare, which was Nightmarian, you could only place down 2. Yeah, I would much rather have this than Nightmarian. He's so much cooler. What's his value though? I need to type it up. Okay, value time. It's probably not on here yet because the update just came on. Wait, I should just type it up. Okay, what is ENNARD's value in value? It's tower defense. No, not Menards. Oh my cookies. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Okay, 10k, range 25, go down 2.5, and 68k damage total. The range is horrible. I actually do need Puppet's Nightmare on this bucko. Wait, let's see how fast he dies when he reaches his range. He's so cool though. Look at him. Look. 3, 2, 1. What? 1. Okay. Oh, did you see that like chain thing that came out? It's kind of slow. Okay guys, so I knew something was missing. This is game 6 now. So now, yeah, there's a game 6 and I'm just gonna grind and record me doing game 6, or that's all. Okay, we need to check. Why does it say please wait? Nope. No. Okay guys, so now I am able to get this. Please luck. Rockstar Chica. Okay. Let's see what she does. I know it's gonna be horrible, but that doesn't matter, does it? 3,000 though to place. That is a lot. And I know that it's gonna be a season 6 down here. Oh no, it's season 5, I meant. Ooh, I got another exclusive pack. Yay! And then there is update 20. Is it update 20? Oh, expired. Oh, so it's update 21, I guess. 15 souls. Okay. Box FNTD again. Ugh. Should I try to get a better enchant on my beautiful ENNARD? Oh, I'm gonna regret this. Please get the good one. But see you next time. Goodbye.